From the tourism sector to tea, where tea factories in Murang'a County have signed a management agreement with the Kenya Tea Development Agency in a deal that drastically reduces the management fees. Take a look.
Murang'a Tea Factories Board will now have full authority to manage a budget for the factory's finances. This is after the factories and the Kenya Tea Development Agency agreed on management modalities that saw the tea agency relinquish some of its management roles and revise its management fees.
MS the law to look for the market and the sale. Your concern should just be, is it fetching the right price? Are you getting the right price for your produce? Instead of dictating who then you're going to sell that tea with, yet you gave me the mandate. However,
KTDA will now charge Murang'a factories a management fee of 1.5% per kilo from 2.5%, reducing their earnings from the factories from an average of 14 billion shillings to 8 billion shillings annually.
You are saying the sales and marketing is the responsibility of who?
the agent.
The agent? Yes. So when you tell me that he is the agent, and then you have taken away the same sales and marketing, you appointed somebody else, what one can be left with? Yet for you now go back again to the managing agent and say, why is our teas not sold?
KTDA is urging farmers in Murang'a to frequently seek for factory audits to ensure transparency in tea factories. The agency is asking the factories to invest in technology to enhance accountability. Edna Murungi for Lunchtime News.